Hello, my dear team. This is Unit 9, Unit 10, sorry. Imagine traveling in space. Okay, Part 1. Now we'll introduce some new words about this unit, Unit 10, Part 1. Okay, the first word, space age. Space age means the time since travel has been possible. The age of space is at the time since travel has been possible. The second one, space capsule. It's a part of a spacecraft in which astronauts can travel and return to Earth. Again, space capsule is a part of spacecraft in which astronauts can travel and return to Earth. Space prop. It's a small unmanned mean without a man in this spacecraft, which is sent into space to transmit information about space. Again, space prop is a spacecraft but without a man. Spacecraft is a vehicle that can travel into space. Space shuttle, a spacecraft which is designed to be used many times. That is a kind of machine that we use many times in space. Outer space, the area outside Earth's air where the stars and planets are. Astronaut, a person who travels into space. A person who travels into space, we call him an astronaut. Citizen explorer. Citizen explorer means a person who paid to go with astronaut on a journey to a space. A person who is interested in going to the space, okay, he went or he goes with an astronaut. Space suit. Space suit means a special clothing for wearing in space. It's a special clothing for the person who travels into space. Aeronautics, the mechanic of the space flight. NASA, it's abbreviation of the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. Inhabits, okay, inhabits means people who live in a particular place, or sometimes as a verb mean live in a particular place. It's a verb which is called live in a particular place. If again, space age, space capsule, space prop, spacecraft, space shuttle, outer space, astronaut, citizen explorer, space suit, aeronautics, NASA, and inhabitant. Okay, now we will answer some exercise in the booklet, page 13. Okay, all the planets space the sun, yes, orbit the sun. Number 2, the discipline of army life is very strict and difficult to change. Number 3, 4 were on the spaceship which was launched to the moon last week. Cosmic. Sally wanted to her ambition to train as an astronaut achieve. Number 5, they of America all speak English. The people in America is called the citizens. Number 6, the third space shuttle was to the moon on 1st July 2005, launched. Number 7, passengers will be to and from the hotel by bus. Yes, shuttled. The of the televisions need to be fixed. Yes, the antenna with I have a missing one. Number 8, antenna is the second one because it's a plural. Number 9, you must call the police in the case of, yes, emergency. Number 10, when will the plane to Cairo take? Yes, take off. Okay, now we'll introduce the grammar in this unit. Okay, here we have infinitive and ing pattern. Okay, some verbs, okay, get with it ing after it, and some with to and the infinitive. Okay, as you see here, I'm looking forward to seeing you soon. There are some prepositions after it the verb come ing, as look forward to, interested in, keen on, fond of. Okay, here we have gerund, the verb in ing. Okay, but here we have some verbs after it, to plus the verb in the infinitive form. As in the number two, he refused to go, not going. He finished drawing, ing. Okay, here we have some verbs with to plus infinitive. Agree, promise, manage, refuse, offer, decide, expect, hesitate, offer, prefer, can't, this is not can't, dear, and wish. Here the verbs after it, to plus infinitive form. Okay, another verbs which is related to after it, ing. Avoid, can't help, can't stand, finish, mention, deny, mind, feel like, enjoy, suggest. Okay, as we know, like after is a verb in ing. Okay, but when we say I like playing, but when I say also I would like to play, even when would before like we use to plus the verb in the infinitive. As we know, the negative of the gerund not plus the gerund. As this example, he admitted not going to school regularly. He agreed not to go. Here, a negative with ing and to plus the infinitive form. We have an exercise on page 16. Rewrite the following sentence. He should have phoned me last night. I want you supposed to. I said he supposed to phone me last night. He supposed to phone me last night. Number two, Sammy resembles her Salma resembles her father. Okay. Here I want to use after. Okay, I omit resembles and put takes after. So I said Salma takes after her father. Number three, the telephone rang. I want to use I heard. Okay, here I heard the telephone ringing. I heard the telephone ringing. Number four, his jokes made me laugh. Okay, as we see here, okay, made the verb after it in the infinitive form. I want to use I. So I said I was made to laugh at his jokes. I was made to laugh at his jokes. He couldn't fly the kite. I want to use tried. So I said he tried flying the kite. He tried ing fly the kite. Okay, that's all of this part. Thank you and goodbye.